Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are continuing this week with our Wrapped Greenery Bundle and all wrapped up designer series paper. And on this card, I've used the party banner dies to cut out a piece of vellum because I want that paper to still kind of shine through. The greetings are from the soiree salutations, so may your days be bright and Merry Christmas. This one is in real red, and I've used 3 different die cuts on this one. This one is going to be smoky slate, so a more non-traditional color, but not really fully non-traditional. And I'm using this really gorgeous paper. And what I love is watch what happens when I put the vellum over top. It almost completely changes the look. It almost looks like the vellum has the detail on it instead of the base. So I've already adhered this base down. I'm going to adhere my greeting. Again, I've stamped it in smoky slate, and I was having a heck of a time lining these up properly. So I've actually got a piece of grid paper out, and I'm putting this down first because I want to be able to layer the greetings around it. So now that I know my greeting is straight on there, and I had already put adhesive on it, yes, I can start adding my greenery. This one is going to go on like this, and I'm going to have the leaves just slightly over top. It has extended beyond the top of the vellum and beyond the side. I'm going to trim the top away. And then I thought I had a smaller piece already cut out, but apparently it has disappeared, so we will do that. There it is, right there. This is a piece, this is the bottom of the paper, and I die cut this out anyway, knowing that I could use the little pieces. Even though they weren't complete, I could use them. I'm putting that right at the top of the vellum, again, extending over the side a little bit. And I played with the idea of putting a dimensional just on the end here, but then still having this flat mounted at the top, just to elevate it a little bit. I'm going to pop this one right here like this. And then all that does is it just helps to just remove this from the background so it just doesn't all blur in. Now I need to come in and I need to trim off my die cut at the top because I'm going to be mounting this right at the top. And because I know where my adhesive will be covered up, I can run adhesive right on here. This is going to pop right up along this edge, making sure I'm even, and then pop that down. So that essentially is our card. We're going to add in the metallic gems. Sorry, I'll pull this down so you can see what they are. And I'm just going to pop some of these in like this. Now this one I use the large and the small ones. I'm going to see how the small ones kind of show up against so many leaves in the background. Oh, and they're not too bad. So we're going to keep popping some of these round like this. And I'll just put another one over here. And I think I might put just one more small one just down here at the bottom. So there we go. These are our 2 cards. This one on our real red card base, and using 3 of those different die cuts. And then this is our smoky slate, and just using one of the style of die cuts, but just again elevating that little bit, just that bit. So let me know which one you prefer, and let's create together again soon.